Little girl got her nails did and said, Daddy, I want to paint something. Well, there you go.
Welcome back to L&A Auto Works. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell and raise your hell.
Of course, my ADD kicks in and I gotta go help her out. Got a little close here or there, but that'd be alright. It won't stay for long anyway. We'll do something different. Hate all you want. It's the first time she's done it, and I love it. Not bad for a three-nager, huh? Looks pretty good. We're just messing around. So I'm kind of digging it. We might redo it and do it a different style. Well,